What's up, YouTube? We starting off the day with young Rashawn, aka one of my most viral videos. Actually, nah, I think you like 5th most viral or something like that. But still, I think you're my most viral haircut tutorial for sure. But this is also the winner of the 1 year of free haircuts giveaway. Oh, Buster Douglas right here. No. We about to chop him up, get the day started, so let's go. Boy, young Rashawn in there, all the way in there. Crispy, damn, he gets these for a year for free. Look at the boy. All right, my G.
I appreciate it.
Yep, I got you. The boy, young Rome, in the building, finna get laced. I'm on break. Can see me in my walker. Hold on. See me in my walker doing it big. I'm in Gary's walker right now, outside smoking. But we about to get young Rome in there. So let's click the heel 3 times. Let's go. All right, now check it out. I don't like to toot my own horn too often, but this one right here. I said I don't like to toot my horn too often, but this one right here, it's that motherfucking beep beep.
Better than what I think you are. They didn't realize it.
Sheesh.
There was 4 of us.
Stop it.
It did that. And all 4 of us had a special channel
Let's go.
that we ran.
All right, I got my lunch break hour now, so I went across the street to the smoke shop, and I got a cheap little
Yeah.
see if I can get this to focus here. Cheap little Cohiba cigar. So I'm gonna go torch that up in the back. And when I say the back, I mean like the back outside. And enjoy this on my lunch break. So I'll get back to y'all when I get done smoking this. Let's go. It's a nice spot out here, Bill.
It's good to be in the sun this time of year.
Not bad. Alright, nice little cigar break. I'm gonna leave my ND filter on inside. I kind of like that look. I'm looking at the monitor right now. And I kind of like that look. It's nice and mellow. It's not too bright. It's not too crazy. Looks good, so I'm gonna leave it on there. Plus, if I go outside, it's easy for me to just dial it. I have an adjustable ND filter. For those of you who don't know what an ND filter is, it's essentially like a pair of sunglasses for your lens on your camera. So if it's like too bright outside, you can just kind of have an adjustable one, so I can do this. I can kind of darken it if I want to, as dark as I want, almost to like you can't see me but the camera's still recording, but then I can dial it back like so until I'm right back where I am now. So it's a pretty cool little feature for the camera. It's a little ND filter. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I get this thing off here. Now watch when I take this off. The difference. See how it kind of takes away the glare of, so I put the ring light on me, I have a glare right there like this. It's from the ring light right here, but if I put this over, so this is what it looks like. It's a little, it screws onto the lens here. And then as I twist this dial like this, you can see the numbers on there. It'll darken. See that? So then I can go back to super light. But it's dope because it'll take away the glare from the ring light. So watch this. Boom. No. Boom. Doom. 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 So I'm gonna leave it on there. I like the way it looks. Alright, young boy Kev is in. Young boy Kev is in. He said he's going to Vegas tomorrow, so we gotta lace the boy. Said he's gotta pull some good ones in Vegas. So he needs a good hairline for it. Let's go. Dennis is sleeping. Wake up. You weren't awake. You were dead sleeping. You need to stop messing around and come through. Y'all remember Kareem? Kareem got a YouTube channel too. What's your YouTube channel?
Ring the Dawn. Make sure y'all go like, subscribe, comment, all that. Go follow the clothing line page on Instagram at A1 Live Life Clothing, and my personal page at _Ring the Dawn _.
So many plugs. I gave you one plug. You took 5.
I took all of them.
What the hell is that? What the hell is that about?
Yo, YouTube.
Let me, my YouTube do be booming though on everything. So look, here's how I do it. Got the ND filter, so when I'm vlogging, I can just bow. Have you seen the ND filters?
No, I
The
haven't.
variable. Watch this. Okay, hold on. Let me flip this around. All right, last cut of the night. On the Rich Boy, Brute Fit, Dr. Brute Fit. Let's go, Freshie McFreshers, and let's go.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, baby. Hold on, where Blurry at? Blurry. Well, Mr. Dr. Brute Fit, what do you think?
Crispiness has an address.
And it's here. Signing off the vlog. I'll see you tomorrow. Look at that fade though. Hold on, let me see. Zoom that in. Sheesh.
Yep. It's game over.
Yep. We out of here. Peace.